Apple fans, get ready. Today, we're comparing Apple's two latest highly anticipated releases, the iPhone 16 and the iPhone 16 Plus. If you're on the fence about which one suits your lifestyle, this video will give you the in-depth look you need. From design and display to battery life and performance, we're covering it all to help you make the best choice. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Starting with the build and design, both the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus come with Apple's signature minimalist look, paired with a sturdy aluminum frame and a color-infused glass back. This glass isn't just about aesthetics, it also enhances durability and keeps fingerprints at bay, giving it a premium feel. For color options, Apple gives you 5 choices on each model: the bold ultramarine, vibrant teal, charming pink, and the classic white and black. Each one is designed to catch the eye, so there's something for everyone, whether you like a statement color or something more understated. The iPhone 16 measures 5.81 inches in height and 2.82 inches in width with a slim depth of 0.31 inches, making it a compact, easy-to-hold device that fits comfortably in your pocket. Weighing only 170 grams, it's designed to be light and convenient for one-handed use. The iPhone 16 Plus, however, is aimed at users who prefer a larger phone, measuring 6.33 inches in height and 3.06 inches in width and the same depth as the other one. This phone gives you that extra screen real estate that can be great for watching videos, gaming, or using split-screen apps. It's slightly heavier at 199 grams, which isn't overly bulky, but may be noticeable for users who prefer smaller phones. If you're looking for something that's easy to slip into your pocket or hold for extended periods, the iPhone 16 is the way to go. However, if you're all about maximizing screen size, the Plus offers a broader canvas to work and play on. One of the biggest differences you'll find between these two models is the display size. Both feature the Super Retina XDR display, which brings exceptional brightness, rich colors, and sharpness to every pixel. With Apple's True Tone technology, the display also adjusts to the ambient light, reducing eye strain and making colors look natural. The iPhone 16 has a 6.1-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2556 by 1179 pixels, which provides a sharp and detailed viewing experience at 460 ppi or pixels per inch. For users who are on their phones for extended periods or like a more compact design, this screen size strikes the perfect balance. Meanwhile, the iPhone 16 Plus ups the screen size to 6.7 inches with a slightly higher resolution of 2796 x 1290 pixels, still at 460 ppi. This means that while both screens are equally sharp, the Plus gives you more real estate. This is ideal for binge watching, gaming, or anyone who appreciates a larger display for productivity and multitasking. Both screens have an impressive peak brightness of 2000 nits outdoors, which makes them easy to use in bright sunlight, and they peak at 1600 nits when viewing HDR content, ensuring vibrant colors. The contrast ratio of 2 million by 1 guarantees deep blacks and bright whites for an impressive viewing experience on both devices. Under the hood, both models are equipped with Apple's A18 chip, marking a significant leap forward in performance. The A18 chip packs a 6-core CPU with 2 high-performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, delivering a powerful experience without sacrificing battery life. This setup allows the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus to run demanding applications, support high-quality graphics in games, and handle intensive tasks seamlessly. In addition to the CPU, the A18 features a 5-core GPU and a 16-core neural engine. The GPU brings smooth graphics and responsive gameplay, ideal for gamers and those who use graphics-heavy apps. Meanwhile, the neural engine excels at AI-based tasks, such as image processing and language translation, making the phone even smarter and more intuitive. Whether you're gaming, editing photos, or multitasking, both the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus will handle everything with ease. The A18 chip ensures longevity, meaning these devices will stay fast and responsive even after years of updates and new apps. Both the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus come with Apple's advanced dual camera system, which includes a 48 megapixels main fusion camera and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens. The fusion camera captures incredibly sharp images with rich colors and detailed shadows, perfect for everyday snapshots, travel photography, and even low-light settings. The ultra-wide lens, on the other hand, gives you the flexibility to capture a broader view, ideal for group photos, landscapes, and creative compositions. Apple's photonic engine plays a key role in improving the quality of photos taken on both devices. It combines data from multiple exposures to enhance detail, especially in low-light conditions, making sure that night shots come out clear and vibrant. Both models excel in video as well, supporting 4K Dolby Vision HDR at frame rates of 24 FPS, 30 FPS, or 60 FPS. This means you can shoot professional-grade videos with enhanced color and dynamic range, perfect for those who create content or simply want the best in video quality. The cinematic mode adds a creative touch, giving your videos a film-like depth of field that automatically shifts focus to highlight subjects. The front-facing true-depth camera on both models is equipped with a 12-megapixel sensor, which also supports 4K Dolby Vision video recording, along with features like night mode and portrait lighting. Whether you're snapping selfies or making video calls, this camera setup will make sure you look your best in any lighting condition. Battery life is another area where the iPhone 16 Plus has an edge. The iPhone 16 delivers up to 22 hours of video playback, which is impressive in itself and more than enough for most users. However, the iPhone 16 Plus extends this to 27 hours, making it the clear choice for users who are constantly on the go or use their phones heavily throughout the day. Both models support fast charging, which can bring the battery to 50% in about 30 minutes with the right adapter. They also support wireless charging via MagSafe, which is Apple's proprietary magnetic charging solution, as well as Qi 2 and Qi wireless charging for added flexibility. The iPhone 16 Plus, with its larger battery, could be the best choice for heavy users who want a phone that will last from morning to night without needing a recharge. For storage, both models offer three options: 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB. The iPhone 16 starts at $799, while the iPhone 16 Plus starts at $899, a $100 difference. For this extra amount, you're getting a bigger screen and extended battery life. If you plan to store a lot of photos, videos, or large apps, consider the higher storage options, though the base 128GB will be adequate for everyday use. Opting for more storage also future-proofs your device, especially as apps and media files grow larger over time. Both the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus support 5G, giving you faster speeds and better performance in supported areas. They also come with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast, reliable connections for streaming, gaming, and smart device integration. Both devices feature spatial audio and Dolby Atmos, enhancing the audio experience whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or playing games. Spatial audio adjusts sound in real time, creating a 3D effect that makes content more immersive, especially when paired with Apple's AirPods. So, which iPhone should you choose? The iPhone 16 is the perfect choice if you're looking for a compact, high-performing device at a more affordable price. It delivers excellent camera quality, robust performance, and a vibrant Super Retina XDR display without breaking the bank. On the other hand, if you want a larger screen, extended battery life, and don't mind the additional cost, the iPhone 16 Plus could be a better fit. Its bigger display is ideal for video, gaming, and multitasking, and the longer battery life is a great perk for power users. Ultimately, both the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus are packed with advanced features that will satisfy nearly any user. Let us know in the comments which model you're leaning towards. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated. See you in the next one.